Hi everyone, I am Neha Chopra, the founder of Top Notch Education, and it is with immense joy and pride that I introduce you to my program Social Slate, which is a social and emotional development program for young learners. You must have come across a child who tends to get easily disappointed when he loses a game, or a child who tends to lose focus and cannot pay attention to the task at hand. These natural responses and reactions of children should not drive us adults to get angry at them or scold them. Instead, we need to channelize them in the right direction and equip children with social and emotional skills. And that's where my program Social Slate comes in. It trains children to identify, express, and regulate their emotions. It develops self-awareness and boosts self-confidence. It encourages children to understand the value of honesty. It gives them strategies to focus and pay attention, and also how to handle disappointment, and much more. SEL is an investment in your child's tomorrow. It is a vessel for change that helps children to grow today so that they can thrive tomorrow. So make this investment today and help your children reap its benefits for life.